Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Syahmi Syabuddin Musharin as a group leader, Group 1 for Mathematics Engineering Technology 2. We want to present about Newton's Law of Cooling, first order ODE application.
Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. Today I will present our project on Newton's law of cooling, which is an application of a first order differential equation. So Newton's law of cooling explains how the temperature of an object changes over time when is it placed in an environment with a different temperature. The law states that the rate at which an object cools is proportional to the temperature difference between the object and its surrounding. As this temperature difference becomes smaller, the cooling process becomes slower until the object reaches thermal equilibrium with the environment. Moving on to the background of Newton's law of cooling, this law was introduced by Sir Isaac Newton in 71 through his studies on heat transfer. He observed that a hot object cools more quickly when the temperature difference is large and more slowly as its temperature approaches the surrounding temperature. So mathematically, Newton's law of cooling can be expressed as dt over dt equals negative k times T minus Ts. In this equation, T represents the temperature of the object, Ts is the surrounding or ambient temperature, and K is the cooling constant. The negative sign indicates that the temperature decreases over time during the cooling process. This law has many practical applications, including hot cooling beverage, food preservation, refrigeration systems, refrigeration systems, and industrial cooling processes, and even forensic investigation to estimate the time of death. And next is objective of this project. So the objective of the project are to understand the concept and principles of Newton's law of cooling. Number two is to formulate a mathematically model using a first order differential equation. Third is to solve the differential equation and determine temperature as a function of time. Number four is to analyze the cooling behavior of an object. And lastly is to demonstrate the application of Newton's law of cooling in real life situation.
Okay, so next we'll continue about mathematical formulation. So this part is derivation. So for the first, we use governing law. The rate of temperature change is proportional to the temperature difference. So that's our equation. So next, we use separating of variable. So we prepared for integration. So integrate 1 over t minus t naught dt equal integrate k dt. Okay, so we continue to the general solution. So for the first is integral result. Tt equal t naught plus c exponent kt. So the second is apply initial condition. T initial equal t naught plus c 1. So that's become c equal t initial minus t naught. So the final formula is tt equal t naught plus t initial minus t naught exponent kt. So next, identify constant. So ambient temperature T naught. The constant soldering temperature measured directly with a thermometer. Cooling constant K depends on material properties. Calculate using secondary non-data point T1 equal T1. So K equal 1 over T1 ln T minus T naught over T initial minus T naught.
So the part 3 about numerical example and calculation. For this slide, I will explain the numerical example in use this project. The problem is about a hot cup of coffee placed in a room with a constant ambient temperature of 22 degrees Celsius. The initial temperature of the coffee is 90 degrees Celsius. After 8 minutes, the coffee cools down to 65 degrees Celsius. Based on this information, we need to determine four main things. First, cooling constant, K. Second, the temperature of the coffee after 15 minutes. The third, the time required for the coffee to reach 35 degrees Celsius. Lastly, the limit temperature as the time approach infinity. This problem solved using the Newton's law of cooling because the coffee temperature decrease over time and approach the surrounding and temperature. Hello. Okay. The the second step by step solution for second slide, I will explain the mathematical model and calculation of the cooling constant. The general formula for Newton's law is cooling is T of T equals Ts plus T0 minus Ts time to the power of Kt. In this problem, the surrounding temperature Ts is 22 degrees Celsius and the initial coffee temperature is 90 degrees Celsius. After substitute the given value, the equation becomes a T of the T equals 22 plus 68 to the power of Kt. To finding the cooling constant K, we use the information that after each minute the coffee temperature is 65 degrees Celsius. By substitute T equals 65 and T equals into the equation, we get the K equal 1 over 8 time in 43 over 68. The calculate value of K is approximately negative 0.0573 per minute. Since the value is negative, it shows that the coffee temperature is decreased over time. Therefore, the final model is T of T equals 22 plus 68 to the power of negative 0.072 68 T. Okay, about the temperature profile of coffee cooling, I will explain. The graph show the relationship between temperature of and the time. From the graph, the coffee temperature decreased rapidly at the beginning. This happened because the temperature difference between the coffees and the room still large. As time increase, the cooling rate becomes slower because the coffee temperature get closer to the ambient temperature of 22 degrees Celsius. This produce an exponential decay pattern, which match Newton's law of cooling. Based on the calculation, the temperature is of the coffee after 15 minutes, approximately 50.82 degrees Celsius. The coffees reach 35 degrees Celsius after about 28.9 minutes. As time approach infinity, the coffee temperature will approach 22 degrees Celsius, which is the room temperature. Overall, the graph proves the Newton's law of cooling can predict the cooling behavior of the coffee accurately.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Haikal bin Abi Hamid. My number matric is CN250044. So I would like to talk about my part is discussion of result. Cooling constant. Cooling constant obtained K equal negative 0.0573 minute. Negative value shows coffee temperature decreased due to heat transfer to surrounding. Supports Newton's law of cooling theory. Temperature changes over time. Initial temperature 19 degree. Temperature decreased to 65 degree after 8 minutes. Predict temperature 50.82 degree after 15 minutes. Cooling occurs faster at the beginning due to larger temperature difference. Cooling rate behavior. Temperature decreases rapidly at the start and slows down over time. Smaller temperature difference cause slower heat transfer. Next, time to reach 35 degree. Coffee reached 35 degree after approximately 28.9 minutes. Cooling becomes slower as temperature approaches room temperature. Final graphic relationship, temperature versus time graph shows exponential decay pattern. Confirm that the model follows Newton's law of cooling. Next slide is interpretation of solution. Mathematical model meaning Newton's law of cooling equation predict coffee temperature over time. Shows relationship between temperature change and time. Effect of ambient temperature. Surrounding temperature 22 degree. Coffee temperature approach 22 degree as time increase, indicates thermal equilibrium between coffee and environment. Exponential decay behavior. Rapid cooling occurs initially, followed by slower cooling. Coffee temperature will not drop below room temperature. Application of differential equation demonstrates the use of first-order differential equations in real situation, applicable in cooling beverage, refrigeration, and heat transfer study. Overall interpretation, Newton's law of cooling accurately predict cooling behavior. Mathematical results match the expect physical process. Graph analysis of validation, model equation T over T per T equal 22 plus 68 E negative 0.0573. Predict value at 15 minutes. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Aikaiman bin Muhammad Basir. My matrix number CN250055. Today I would like to present about Newton's law cooling. So graph analysis temperature vs time. As per the decay curve, the graph demonstrates a classic exponential decay pattern as the liquid cool over time. Rapid initial drop. In the first 10 minutes, temperature dropped sharply from 90 degrees Celsius to 60.4 degrees Celsius because the temperature differences between the coffee and the room is at its largest. Slowing cooling rate. As the coffee temperature drops, the temperature gradient shrinks, causing the cooling process to slow down drastically. Thermal equilibrium. As time goes on, the curve flattens into a horizontal asymptote at 22 degrees Celsius, meaning the liquid will never naturally cool below the ambient room temperature. Limitation of Newton's law of cooling. Constant ambient temperature. Assumption. Model assume the room stay perfectly at 22 degrees Celsius. Ignoring how a hot object slightly warm up the air immediately surrounding it. Uniform internal temperature assumption assumes lump thermal capacitance. The whole object cools at the exact same rate, ignoring that the outer edge cool faster than the core. Neglect other heat transfer modes. Primarily, accounts for convection, air cooling, while failing to model significant heat loss from evaporation, steam, and radiation. Fixed cooling factor K treats K as a strict constant, whereas real-world variables like humidity, surface area change, or unexpected air draft cause it to fluctuate. Thank you.
In conclusion, Newton's laws of cooling is an effective mathematical model for predicting how temperature change over time. The result obtained are consistent with the theory and demonstrate the relationship between temperature difference and cooling rate. This law has many practice applications in engineering, science, and everyday life.